This NAIERDI Peephole Camera replaces a standard door viewer with a discrete digital unit that looks traditional from the hallway but gives you a much clearer view from inside. The integrated 3.5-inch color screen delivers a sharp image with high-definition resolution, making it easy to see who is outside without squinting or leaning into the door. A wide 120-degree viewing angle covers a broad area in front of the door, reducing blind spots and helping you spot anyone standing off to the side. Installation is straightforward and quick, essentially swapping into the existing peephole hole without extra hardware, so even cautious, do-it-yourself users can handle it. Powered by 4 AAA batteries with very low power consumption, it offers long standby time and avoids the hassle of wiring or worrying about brief power outages. The camera housing uses thick zinc alloy and is designed to fit a range of common door thicknesses, giving it a solid, durable feel that suits long-term apartment use.